Welcome to our channel. Activating mobile wallet for in-store purchases makes shopping easier and more secure. Here's how to set it up. Step 1. Open the mobile wallet app on your smartphone. This is Apple Pay on iPhone, Google Pay on most Android devices, or Samsung Pay on Samsung phones. Step 2. Add your payment cards to the wallet. Tap Add Card or the plus sign, then either scan your card or enter the details manually. Step 3. Enter your card information including the card number, expiration date, CVV, and billing address. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete this step. Step 4. Verify your card with your bank or card issuer. You'll typically receive a verification code via text message or email that you need to enter in the app. Step 5. Set up your preferred authentication method. Choose whether you want to use Face ID, fingerprint, or a PIN to authorize payments. Step 6. Make sure NFC near-field communication is enabled on your phone. Go to your phone's settings to turn on this feature if it's not already active. Step 7. Select your default card for payments if you've added multiple cards. This will be the card used automatically at checkout unless you choose a different one. Step 8. Test your mobile wallet at a store that accepts contactless payments. Hold your phone near the payment terminal, authenticate, and wait for the transaction to complete. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.